Alright, so a little quick update for you guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be buttoning up the car a little bit. As you guys saw, we had the engine out. I had to put the rack. That was the only two options that I can see, being that when I saw a video, it was only for B series that you can actually wiggle it out. Being that I have a K series and the transmission sits further closer to the rack and pinion, I had to A, either take the engine out, which that's what I did, or B, take the subframe from the bottom, which that's not what I did. But yeah, as you guys can see, we got it in, so let's get right into it. Alright, as you guys saw in the intro, the engine was out, and look at what difference it is. Now we are back on track, back on part to continue finishing off. You guys can see we do have the rack in there. I went ahead and show you guys, and then already installed the joint. As you guys can see, now I don't know if it's completely centered. We will find that out during the course of me finishing the installation. I still have to put the inner and outer tie rods, well, outer tie rods on the driver's side. Here I just loosen it up so I can mock it there, and I do have to install it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheel off so I can install the rotor while I'm at it, and the new pads for the driver's side, which I have not done, and then put the axle, and then finish on with the vehicle. Also, still debating, because I want to keep it stock as possible, and I apologize for the fan noise, but it's super hot in here. But this plastic cover, underneath cover, I'm debating on putting it back on the car. I do have to take the traction bar out in order for me to put it back on. I'm pretty sure you could run both of them, though I was still yet to find out, but I'm pretty sure you could run both of them, and that's something that I'm probably going to be doing as well later on. So I'm going to be probably putting this as well. I'll try to make this video short and sweet. As you guys can see, I do have it lift right now, filled up with a little bit of coolant. As you guys saw, I still have another jug in there, another gallon. I already went through one completely. I filled it with a little bit, I think it was like 12 ounces of power steering fluid. I need to get a little bit more. I need to top off the transmission fluid, which that's on the way, but I found out that I do have enough to fill it out, but I'm not going to do that right now. So you guys can see there, and I will be going to the bottom. The rack is installed, everything is good. I think I did my best aligning it. Let me see if I can show you guys the U-joint inside. I want to put the U-joint in correctly. As you guys can see, we do got the steering wheel straight as possible. U-joint right there to the steering column, all the way down to the rack and pinion. I still have to put this plastic protective cover in there with the little clip. And yeah, but overall, as you guys can see, the steering wheel is pretty straight. So I believe and I hope that I did it correctly. Bottom here, I'm washing this sucker right here, because that one's the, I had to put that worm clamp because it was leaking last time. So hopefully no leaks there. But you guys can see the rack is brand new. I did my best to adjust it, the outer tie rods as best as possible. Obviously we do have to get it aligned. And yeah, so far I am hoping that I did it correctly, that I installed it. This is my first time doing that. So as you can see, we're almost there. Pretty much I had to back step my steps, redo the whole thing all over again. It's like if I was starting from the beginning. But yeah, we're gonna start it up again soon. I need to bleed the brakes, which I ended up not documenting it or anything on video, but I did put the rotor new brake pads. I do have to change the wheel bearings like I was saying, you guys, but that's going to be for a later time. I said that I do have to put that cover right there, which I am going to do, but at the time being, I'm not going to do it right now. But I don't know, because I feel like it might rob me of air that might be sucking in here. I'm not sure, but I do want to have it OEM looking, so I'm probably going to put it back eventually. But yeah, this is just a quick little update for you guys, showing you guys where I am currently at. And yeah, so we do have the engine back in there, topping off fluids, brand new rack. I hope everything works, no leaks. I do have to take it for an alignment, but I have not tested the car out at all. The car has not driven on the road, it's not registered, there's no insurance, so that's something that I have to work on. Also, I do have to get a tune. Shout out to Josh Tune, that's my tuner right there. Did the EG right there, wonderful numbers. I am hoping, expecting a little bit good for this one. Not expecting anything too crazy. It is a K20 Z3. If we can pull out 215 or 220, I'll be so happy with that. On the torque, 150, I'll be really content. I'm hoping for 160, but I'm not expecting too much. I'm not sure if the 5-speed is gonna really put out, or it's gonna help me a lot. I do have a stage 1 in there on the clutch, but it's rated for way more power than this is what stock wise this is gonna put out. But who knows? Josh Tune always comes through, makes it good. But I'm just trying to make this daily numbers, good MPGs on the highway. And this one right here is pretty much on a little kill, kind of like a little kill tune. I could daily it, but I've not. As you guys can see, it's pretty much a storage unit right now. Boxes everywhere. I've hit it numerous times with parts. You guys can see right there. It's like hit it numerous times with the exhaust system in it from that car. Because I had all this stuff put full of parts. So yeah, it's just been rotting away a little bit. But don't worry, I am gonna be taking it out. The registration did expire. Sorry, I gotta catch my breath. It's a long clip. But yeah, it's a couple things that I want to work on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, but I've been looking at a Prius electric steering for it. I'm not sure, but so far this is where the EG is sitting at, and I know it's sad, but don't worry, I will be taking it out soon. It's just right now I can't afford to have 3 vehicles like my SI, this one, and this one insured. So it's only going to be this one and that one, and due to my circumstances I can't have that one out too much because over here they like to steal a lot and I don't trust. But yeah, that was just a quick update for you guys. This is not going to be a long clip, a long video. And if you guys like the progression, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow more, put in your notification tabs for alert, subscribe, and you slowly we're going to start taking this out. And it's going to have I'm not sure if I'm going to drive it to where it's going to where the overhaul is going to happen, but most likely if I don't drive it, I'm going to be trailering it. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I do have to get. I am going to make it look a little bit my vision is, as you guys can see right somewhere over here, that's my vision for the car, and hopefully we get to that point. But yeah, it's just a quick update for you guys. Thank you guys for your patience and for following. Thank you guys.